Interpreter versus compiler. An interpreter and a compiler are both programs that translate source code into machine-readable instructions. The primary difference lies in how and when they perform this translation. Compiler. A compiler translates the entire source code of a program into machine code before the program is executed. This process is called compilation. The output of the compiler is an executable file that can be run directly by the computer's operating system. Once compiled, the program runs quickly because the translation step is already complete. Key characteristics of a compiler. Translation process. The entire program is translated at once. Execution. The program runs after the compilation step is finished. Speed. Compiled programs are generally faster because they are already in machine code. Portability. The compiled executable is specific to the operating system and architecture it was created for. Examples of languages that use compilers include C, C++, and Rust. Interpreter. An interpreter, on the other hand, translates and executes the source code line by line as the program is running. It does not produce a separate executable file. The interpreter reads a line of code, translates it, and then executes it immediately before moving on to the next line. Key characteristics of an interpreter. Translation process. The program is translated and executed one statement at a time. Execution. The program runs within the interpreter itself, without a separate compilation step. Speed. Interpreted programs are generally slower than compiled programs because the translation happens during runtime. Portability. The same source code can be run on any platform that has a compatible interpreter. Examples of languages that use interpreters include Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. Hybrid systems. Many modern programming languages use a combination of both a compiler and an interpreter. For example, Java compiles source code into an intermediate form called bytecode, which is then interpreted by the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). This approach offers some of the speed benefits of compilation while maintaining the portability of interpretation.